Another area of the law is workers' compensation, also known as workers' comp. And what that is, it's a type of personal injury. And what workers' compensation is, basically two things. There's a lot more to it, but the two simple things in workers' comp. If you were injured on the job and the employer has 3 or more employees that you work with, co-workers, and you're hurt, no matter whose fault it is, whether it's yours or someone else's, you're entitled to certain benefits. And there are 2 main benefits, and that would be if you miss more than a certain amount of time at work, you're entitled to a weekly benefit check, otherwise known as salary, up to $675 a week. And you're also entitled to have your medical benefits and treatment paid for by your company. And workers' comp is a little different because in workers' comp cases, as long as your employer is doing what they're supposed to do, and that is pay for your medical treatment and pay you a benefit if you're out for a certain amount of time, other than that, there's really not a case, so to speak, if they're doing the right thing. Now, I'm in business because a lot of times they don't do the right thing. But you have to miss a certain amount of work and you actually have to be out of work. It's not just I got hurt and went to the doctor. If you're back to work the next day, workers' comp is not going to kick in except for that bill being paid when you went to the emergency room the day before. So those are the things that you have to look at for workers' compensation, and it's totally different because there are no jury trials, no pain and suffering. You can't just go to a judge and say, I want more money, because that's not how it works. All it really works is you're entitled to certain things, basically money and medical treatment.